I'm a professional at destroying shit. That's basically it. I don't know about professional in anything else. Now there's a few things I could try. Nothing seems to work. I even tried my favorite thing, which was JB Weld. Tried to JB Weld this onto it, and it didn't grab. It pulled it right off. It actually wrecked the cap even more. So I was thinking about getting some crazy epoxy. Ended up not doing that and bought the cap for like $8 or whatever. So thank you, Amazon, I guess. Pay your workers more. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what tool to use next. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to try, tried and true method. It's always the go-to to get an oil filter out. Just hammer a screwdriver through it and just crank that bad boy. In this case, I'm going to try it on this cap. Basically just destroying it, so let's see how that goes. Alright, it's been about 2 weeks. Let's check this oil. Nice and clear. Get some safety gloves on here. Don't know if any of this is going to work, but let's see. That's looking good. If it was built by a human, it could be taken apart by a human. Humans can be taken apart by humans. Alright, so camera stopped recording because Samsung has the genius idea to make the camera stop at 10 minutes when you're recording 4K, so missed the best part of the whole thing. Got it out. Hammered it down the side, broke the entire threaded portion, pulled it out. So now, I'm going to have to clean out the little filter area. All the little garbage that I hammered down in there. Get all that out, check to make sure I didn't really mess up any threads, and then we'll get the new one installed. Just going to stick some paper towels in there, see what I can get out. I may have to bust out a vacuum. There's a lot of oil in there still, that might not be a good idea. Or a wet vac, that'd be nice. Alright, so I got it cleaned out pretty good. I did hit a couple of the threads on the way in, but I think that'll be fine. Yeah. Get the new one in. Let's get the new one in. Take our MicroGuard filter here. Take the pokey end. And literally poke it right down in there. Take our new cap. I'll thread this bad boy right down in here. As far as I can by hand. And then take this socket, if that will even fit. Probably not, gotta clean it. Hey Dremel, what's up? I use your product. Send me stuff, please.
that our socket is clean, fit nice and snug, that's coming off. Oh, come on, socket. Now it's freaking tight. That JB Weld made it a little smaller. Hey Craftsman, I used your stuff. Send me things. I might use them. I need a new ratchet here. You know, I could totally use a new one. This one sucks too, but I'm gonna use it. Don't do that. Oh, stuff never goes right when you want it to. I think that's tight enough this time. There we go. Nice and new, shiny, ready to rock.
No leaks. We're looking good.
Alright, well, there you have it. Fixed it. Thanks for watching this video. It's taken about 2 weeks to actually get this thing done. Like and subscribe. If this video sucked, like it. If it was good, you know, dislike it. Leave comments. Criticize me for what a shitty job I just did, but you know, hey, I can take it. Just words. So yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.